Mashindano maya maria mari mugundaini wa Ngongogeri Njoro kaunti-ini ya Nakuru ni muma 64 guthaganio thiini wa thini mari makiri guthaganio guko bururi-ini.
So we need to also see vile tutasaidia wenzetu pia tuweze kupata equipment kama hii kwa wakulima wetu, na ndio tuweze kuzalisha chakula ya kutoshea Wakenya wote.
Ni hindi ya kuruguria mashindano maya haria President Uhuru Kenyatta eranire kwirutira kwa thirikari yake kwacira urimi na njira ya kuongerera muigana wa kigina kiria kierekeirio kuri urimi.
It is so critical, Your Excellency, that commercial farming will have to take cue from the modern machinery which we can see during such contests. The kind of equipment they use is going to help us commercialize our agriculture.
And I want to say, as Nakuru, we are very happy to host it, and we'll do everything possible to be able to help our farmers and also to encourage the locals to learn from the great experiences that we have seen here.
Thirikari ni igithingata arimi gwikirira teknoloji ya kiriu hari urimi getha kuongerera magetha mao. Thirikari ni iriga guteneria magoti maria marihagio hari macini cia urimi na iria ciumaga nja ya bururi nigetha kuhotithia arimi kugura macini icio. Mashindano maya maguciririe mabũrũri kahiri na makiria ma kuma gitaro kia Rũraya magitanywo guthii na mbere kahinda-ini ga thikũ 10 ciũkĩte. Rĩrĩa mashindano maya meriga gũthaganio gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ nĩ mwaka-inĩ wa 1995. Kiribotera Inooro TV rĩtũra kuna Macharia wa Gacũrũ.